In this video, I'm going to show you how to send TONCOIN from Binance to Tonkeeper. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Binance app, and then you want to go to Assets bottom right. And in here, you should have yourself some TON. So I do have some TONCOIN, a very little amount as you can see over here, but I do have it so I can now send it and withdraw it to Tonkeeper. So click on TON wherever you have it inside the assets. And over here at the very bottom, there's three buttons. And in the middle, it says withdraw. So tap on withdraw. And then once you tap on withdraw, you'll come to a next site over here. There we go, where you'll have to select if you want to send via a crypto network or via email, phone, or ID. So tap on send via crypto network. And then in here, you first have to paste in your address. So where it says long press to paste at the very top under address, you have to paste in your Tonkeeper wallet address. And then the network, you should select the network. This will basically tell you which one it should be. It will tell you in the Tonkeeper wallet as well, but usually this one is going to be the correct one, so the open network. And then the memo, basically this is optional, so you can get the memo in case your Ton wallet basically tells you to. And then over here, you have to do the withdrawal amount. Now, the minimum is 0.4 TON, so I don't have enough right now, even if I max this, as you can see. But if you have enough, and then you've pasted in all the information, make sure you still double check it, and after you do, just tap on withdraw at the very bottom right, and then you've successfully sent your TONCOIN from Binance to Tonkeeper. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.